You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. If you want to learn how to pronounce this word, ointment. Sometimes the T is ignored or not really pronounced, and it's pronounced as ointment, ointment, or ointment. Oint is the sound at the beginning. So ointment, English pronunciation, ointment or ointment. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.